Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, and I just want to play. I found this yellow paint and it was a sort of a really pale acidy color, and I added some orange to it to make it a lot more look like it's the color of omelets is what it is. And my idea of playing is just to put colors down and then swipe. And I'm going to do that right after I find my color shifting red. Alright, one was a paint chip, one was not. And grab some of my black select. Is it open? Wow, it plugged up on me. That's okay, I'm going to, nope, there I got some, never mind. It was temporary. So I'm going to grab a little piece of acetate that I have cut and put a substantial amount of cell activator on there, all the way to the tip. And I might just work all over the place. I have to wipe that off. My studio rag is falling down. So I'm going to just keep going in any way that suits my fancy. That was the Artist Loft Cobalt Blue. This is my slightly plugged, there we go, Venetian Blue. I want a little bit of the one that's open is the one I want. That was Anita's White Metallic with some Venetian Blue in it, and that is my Electric Blue from Arteza. And I'm kind of thinking that if I leave it heavy along the top edge when I do this, that I can run them into each other. I'm sort of teaching myself how to do this as I go along. Hot Orchid. I think I'm going to use a wider card. I may just fill in. I have some pink. I'm not sure what this color purple is, but it's very lilac in color. And I know I put iridescent pearl fine in it. This is my dioxazine purple. Move my yellow out of the way. I have a few tools over here. Not the exact one I'd like though. I need a scrape dish. Put my extras in. Actually, I'm just going to scrape those right off down here. Makes me want to go right back in there again with a tool. And I have a tool to go in there with. Why not play? If you can play and get away with it, play. I can always add paint afterwards to fill in any weird gaps. I need a different card, or maybe I need this card with cell activator on it in a different configuration. Fold right out to the nth degree. This reminds me of a painting I did many years ago. And I don't know why it's reminding me of it, except for the colors maybe. I called it Technicolor Wood Grain. I'm going to put another one of those. Or something similar, I think. I like that pale pink in there, much more than I thought I would. I'm going to use some of, I have very little left, but it has got golden iridescent pearl fine added to some magenta, golden magenta. I'm going to take any and all of my residuals, pull them right down to the edge, and hope that the Floetrol will work out. I want to go in from this side over here with a bunch of Venetian blue, Artist Loft amethyst, dioxazine purple from Hobby Lobby, and maybe indulge myself along the way. Just learning how to do this. What do I want up here? Kind of want some gold. Maybe I can start this with some Prussian blue and get away with it. Let's hope so. I want something else. That is the Folk Art Neon, excuse me, the Folk Art Color Shifting Purple. Do I really want that with no turquoise? No, I want some turquoise. That is a really big commitment as far as paint goes. And that worked really nicely. Cool. I want to just put that right there, because I think I'll be filling in anyway. I really want to grab a Princeton Artil Catalyst spatula. Take my fill in and kind of even the edge out. I want to move a few things around. So no matter what I learn from this, it's going to be a cool experience, I'm pretty sure. Nothing else, I'm going to learn what I can get away with. Maybe just a drop of that magenta. And what else? I really like the purple, the dioxazine purple, but I was never sure it was going to show up that well. So what do I start this party with? I think it's going to have to be some hot orchid. And I'm still using the same swipe card, except for I put it down. There we go. I got it. Cool. I like it when they're not invisible. I want to take some of that gold. I'm taking risks, sticking my card in places it probably doesn't belong, but I have paint on my little card, my swipe card. I kind of feel like I could put gold in between. I'm liking all of that. That's fun. I want something else here. I think it's too late for that this time. Just sort of following my instincts. That was the electric blue from Arteza. I'm going to have to put some more black out, definitely. And at least it's coming out this time. I want to try one of my other little tools, and I seem to have disappeared it. That's not, well, you know what? I'm going to try it. I didn't think it was wide enough, but it's looking like it's going to work out to me pretty well. I doubt whether I can get this done in the time allowed because I'm sort of going a little more slowly than usual and enjoying my process, which is not part of the 20-minute. My camera shuts off because there's a tax on imported cameras, just in case anybody in the audience, like a couple of people who've asked me recently. I don't plan on a limited amount of time. I'm going in here. I guess I have to go up. Or maybe I can come down. Yeah, I'm going to try and come down. If you need the name of a color, just ask me. Put a little bit more of this in here. Not sure what this is. I'm not even sure what the base is mixed with. It could be something from Color Art easily enough. I am thinking that I'm going to try that again. First I'm going to go the wrong way, or in this case it might be the right way. And then let everything run down. Not sure you can see that because we're on the dark side again. I don't want to pull it, I want to stretch it. I got a bump. I think if I want to move that bump, Princeton Art Tool Catalyst Spatula is the best tool for the job. Best not to drop the necklaces into the artwork. How much time do I have left? I've got 3 minutes. I think I'm going to sacrifice a little bit if I can lay my hands right on it. There it is, it's over there. That is the Folk Art Emerald Green. This is the Mysterious. There's the Electric Blue. Here's some purple. A little bit of the Prussian blue. I'm looking for the Venetian blue. Let's go for the cobalt blue. And where's the light blue I was working with? That's not it, but that is it. And I'm still being called the Hot Orchid, but I think I'm going to resist. At least until the end. That's more paint than I've put in anything so far. Let me see if I can find my swipe card I was using. There it is. I'm going to take all that paint right off of there and add it because I can. The name of my first book on the Amazon link next to my second book called Unlimited Possibilities. The Amazon link is on my link tree. My link tree is underneath the video. Part of me figures I should be able to blow right into that. And I think I'm going to put some more. Where did I put? There it is. The color shifting red from Folk Art. Hopefully, whoops, there goes my straw. Yep, that's all right. One more major mark. I've got 2 minutes to tell you guys. I do a monthly drawing for supporting the studio's production of videos, and I offer paintings as prizes, and you can see what the monthly prizes are at the beginning of the exhibition video that's brand new every month, included on the end screens of every video in the last 20 seconds. I'm not sure what I'll do with the in-between zones, but I'm still having a good time, and I'm going to put something down along the bottom fairly quickly. Every time I try something new and unexpected, I learn things that I need to know. Please share my videos if you have a mind to help me out. I really appreciate that. Let me grab that little tool again. That's the wrong tool. There we go. Just one section, well, this section and that section, and then I think I'll be done. But I want, yeah, I'm going to have to go from here out. So check the Legalist. It's the top link on the link tree. The link tree is underneath the video. When you find the first or second, I don't know which link it is anymore. It's changed. It's a blue link. It has my pixels.com, Fine Art America, Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, and my website. It has pretty much everything there. I got 1 minute left, and I'm not done. But I might be done in a second, so let's cross our fingers. I was going to say, I might have to just swipe through it twice to call it good. Alright, so this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. I got one little corner to fill in, and I'm probably not gonna make another video to do that. Love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Please give me a thumbs up. Check out my email address if you should have an interest in purchasing an artwork. Just contact me. I also give classes at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, privately, and that email address will get you any information you need. Just contact me about a lesson. Let's go down here. That was kind of fun. There are cells. All right. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Did I just say that? I love you guys. Bye for now. Priscilla out. I guess you're not gone. Thank you for everything. I love your comments.